Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Today is an exciting video because I have to film this on a rush because I just sold these things from my collection. So I decided that things that I wasn't really so keen to let go in a declutter and just give away, I wanted to see if I could sell them and get sort of some money back if I need to buy a replacement or if I need to replace those items. For example, if I sell 3 foundations and I get the money for a new foundation, I don't mind doing that. I don't mind replacing it and don't take it into account for my no buy year rules. So I put a few products because one person asked me, do you have stuff to sell from your collection? And I said, sure. And then when I started taking pictures, I just thought I'm gonna post this on Instagram and see what comes out of it. So if you want to see the products that I just decluttered from my collection that I wasn't using, but they are in pristine condition, then just keep on watching. And I'm sorry for my nails, so keep on watching. So I sold 3 eyeshadow palettes and I'm going to talk about each one of them. The first one is the Morphe and Kathleen Lights collab. I don't see the point of this palette. I just never used it. It never inspired me. It never felt right for me. And I know that the home that it's going to find, it's going to be a better home than the one that I'm giving it because I've had it for a long while and I swatched it once. So yeah, this is the first item that I sold and I'm decluttering. The second one, this one, it's not that old. I actually purchased these on TJ Maxx and I used it a couple times, put it in a project progress. It was a fail for me. I wasn't using it and I know it's a good palette. The scent is amazing. It's just that if I'm not using it, I prefer to just remove it from my collection. And this was just used about once or twice, so now it's gonna be gone from my collection. And then the last one is the Carly Bible, the first palette that she released with BH Cosmetics. And I use this more than the other two, but I don't use it anymore. The highlighters are beautiful. I just don't want it to go bad in my collection. I know powders last a long while, and the person that bought it from me, she's an everyday type of person, so she will for sure make good use out of these just for everyday looks, for the office and everything. And then when she wants a nighttime look, she can go for the metallics and the highlighters. So yeah, this is the third palette that I sold today. For foundations, I sold 3. The first one is the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1, and this is in the shade 04. And I like this foundation, but I would love to have it in a lighter shade. So this is not gonna be in my collection anymore. It already found a new home. And then I'm super happy that I sold this one. This is the NARS All Day Luminous Foundation in the shade Barcelona. And this one was in my project pan, in both of my project pans, and I even have been putting it in project progresses to use as a bronzer. It's not my shade. I don't wanna try and use it anymore, and it's good that somebody can use it completely and finish it off. It's a beautiful foundation, it's just that it doesn't match me. And then this is one that makes me sad to see it go because I love this and I have a tutorial with it, I think, on this channel or maybe on my Spanish channel. But the shade is Doré and it looks too dark on me. And I don't wear fake tan, but this is the Herborian BB cream and this is amazing. And the amount of product that comes with it, you can use this as a primer or as a foundation. The amount of product that comes with it, it's perfection. It has SPF on it. So these 3 foundations are leaving my foundation drawer. So that's a lot of foundation that I've been getting rid of lately. I also sold the L'Oreal True Match Lumi. This is in the shade Golden, and I'm happy that I'm selling this one because I have 2 highlighters, liquid highlighters that I use a ton, and then a cream one, which is the What's Up by Benefit, the small one that I have. Then I have as well a Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Pearl, and then I have my Marc Jacobs highlighter, Do You Do Drops. That one is almost done, but those are the highlighters that I use, the liquid ones. I don't use liquid highlighter. So getting rid of this one is not because it's a bad product, it's just that I don't use liquid highlighters. And this is a person with dry skin. She's gonna love it. She's gonna truly enjoy it. And this is leaving my collection as well. This is a ColourPop highlighter in the shade Wisp. And these I love, I truly do. The other 2 that I have, I've hit pan on them, but I just don't want to have it in my collection anymore because I've had it for a while and I want to finish the 2 that I already hit pan on, and I have too many highlighters. so I just need to try and get rid of a few, and this is the one that it's gonna leave my collection. Wisp, it's one of my favorite shades. It's a dupe for Opal from Becca Cosmetics. It's just amazing, and the way they shine on the skin is, for wet skin, it's beautiful. This product as well, this is the Ben Nye Pretty Pink Translucent Powder. I already have a Bobbi Brown pink powder and I don't need to, and I do not use any of them. I never use any of them, so why would I have to if I don't use colored powders? So yeah, this is also leaving my collection, and I know that Carly Bible has a fantastic tutorial using pink powder to brighten her under eyes. It just didn't work for me, so yeah, this is leaving as well. And then last but not least, I have here the contour cream by Beauty Creations, and this cream contour palette, I swatched it twice. I used it in a tutorial on my Spanish channel, and I just do not love cream contouring. I prefer to use a foundation, a darker foundation, as a cream bronzer or a cream contour. And this is just too dry for me, and it's not something that I will use. I will never reach for this. And it's a good palette, and it's brand new basically, so somebody can love it a ton. So those are basically 10 products that are gonna leave my collection. These have been decluttered. What I'm gonna do with the money, a person that bought a lot of the stuff for me, she has her own brand of clothes. Since she just released her brand, her first collection, I'm gonna just get an exchange. And since I'm trying to build my closet, I'm gonna get a few pieces from her collection, and that's the way she's gonna pay for these items. I'm gonna put aside the money of the other products, and I'm just gonna save it for when I need to replace something, or if I'm thinking about getting a lighter foundation, I don't know yet. And if I want to get a lighter foundation, or if I make up my mind, then I will let you guys know. If not, it's gonna just go towards my savings account. So that's it for this video, guys. It's short and sweet, but I'm so happy that I got rid of a ton of stuff because it's something that makes me feel lighter. These products, I know they're gonna leave my collection and I'm not gonna be missing them. The one that I know that I don't want to give up is this one, but it just doesn't match me, so why have it in my collection? The rest of them, I adore this one and the Carly Bible palette, but the rest of them, I won't even think about them. The Carly Bible palette, I love it. It's just that I have too many palettes, and if I have to choose between Natasha Denona and Anastasia and that palette, I will choose those instead, and that's gonna just go to waste. So don't forget to subscribe before you go and hit the notification bell. As well, please leave an emoji with cash flying away because I'm selling this stuff instead of getting just rid of it and giving it away, and that way I'm getting back some of the money that I invested on my makeup that I didn't use at all. So that's it, you guys. I guess I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.